Vintage Fitness. This is a blog series that's part of a making everyday activities feel easier. And one of the things people talked about was difficulty in carrying a heavy pot when they're doing cooking. So some of the things to think about, the muscles that you're going to need there are your bicep muscles in your arm, the front of the shoulder, and then some muscles for that turning movement, which are the side abdominal muscles. So I'll give you exercises for each of those. The first of them is a simple bicep curl, so using a band or hand weights, some resistance. You're going to stand on the band, stand up nice and tall, and you're going to curl. This is also good for grip strength using the band, which is important when you're cooking. So you're going to do this 15 times, keeping your shoulders nice and relaxed and standing up nice and tall. Good. So your next exercise is working the shoulders. So you're going to use that same band, but you're just going to step on one side of the band or weight, and you're going to bring the band all the way up. This is to get the front of the shoulders working. Good. Again, about 12 to 15 times on either side. If you're not able to do that range of motion, just do the range of motion that works for you without getting pain. If you can go all the way up, then do. And then the last one is to try to work the muscles that are along the side of your abdominals without having to get on the floor. So you might not have seen this one. You're going to put your elbow on the counter, keeping a nice straight spine. You're going to step away and you're going to hold, and you're going to feel these muscles working and your shoulder working, which are exactly the muscles that you need to lift your heavy pot. So you're going to hold this for 30 seconds. Again, I'm not slouching, I'm not forward, I'm nice and straight, and I can feel that work right on the side abdominals. You're going to do the same movement on the other side. Try each exercise all the way through 3 times, 15 repetitions each, and a 30-second hold for these side hold ones. Good luck.